Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Today saw a surge in India's equity benchmarks, with the NSE Nifty and BSE Sensex gaining 0.28% and 0.26%, respectively. The overall market mood can be described as buoyant, driven primarily by the auto sector and metals. In the auto industry, Tata Motors led the charge with a 3% increase after announcing price cuts across their vehicle portfolios to pass on GST savings to customers. Hero MotoCorp also rose, up 2.3%, following the appointment of Harshavardhan Chitle as its new CEO effective 5 January 2026. These positive developments have contributed to a 2.6% surge in Nifty Auto, making it the top sectoral gainer. Meanwhile, the metals sector rose 1% after Morgan Stanley turned constructive on Indian steel makers, citing demand uptick and benefits due to China's steel supply reforms. Tata Steel and JSW Steel were upgraded to overweight. In terms of year-to-date performance, the auto sector has outperformed significantly, with Nifty Auto registering a gain of approximately 17.5% compared to the NSEI's 4.8% climb. The rise in Asian markets was driven by hopes of a potential Fed rate cut this month due to US job data and dovish signals from the Fed. However, investors should exercise caution regarding any corporate actions tomorrow. Retail car sales showed a 2.84% year-on-year increase in August, according to the Federation of Automobile Dealers Association. The association expects these sales to continue rising during the festive season due to the government's GST cuts. In other news, Adani Power saw a jump of 5.3% due to a hydropower deal in Bhutan, and Swiggy gained 2% following a buy rating from Nomura. Markets were closed for local holidays for both currency and debt, resuming trading on Tuesday. Settlement for days trades will happen on Wednesday instead of Tuesday as per SEBI regulations. As we move towards the end of the year, the promising future for the Indian automotive industry is shaping up nicely, with the auto sector continuing to outperform. Stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for more updates and insights.